Hi there, I just wanted to showcase what the MyHeadspace learning platform looks like and what's in store for you if you decided to join my course. Once logged in, you'll be able to see all the courses that you have signed up for. Within this portal, you'll get two-hour live lessons with me every single week. This course will cover the entire higher curriculum and will iron out any misconceptions and fill in any gaps you may have developed over the years. I set exam-style questions with a real focus on exam technique. It is through this that my pupils continue to show strong progress throughout the year. Unlike other tutors and courses out there, I provide detailed video solutions where I explain how best to tackle each and every exam question, showing exactly what the examiners are looking for. Here at MyHeadspace, we're creating an open environment where students are eager to learn and feel part of a community. The atmosphere in the chat during my live lessons is always super fun and engaging. Another benefit of my platform is that all my lessons are recorded so that you can learn at your own pace. You can rewatch these lessons as many times as you like, a perfect revision tool and something that traditional tuition misses out on. Now this was just my standard package. If you're looking for even more support, then I have a pro package where I'll assign you a personal mentor who will offer unlimited guidance on any difficulties or questions you might have outside of lesson time, tailoring to your specific needs. You can ask unlimited questions on any course content and homeworks, and they will provide you detailed responses as you can see here. They have all achieved the top grades in their A-level maths, so they know exactly what it takes to succeed. When I say unlimited, it's because their support extends beyond what I'm doing in class and can give you help and advice on other topics and even things not to do with maths, such as advice on what A-level subjects you should be picking. Whether you're struggling to understand the material or just need that extra push, we're here to help you achieve the grades that you want. Students are giving really incredible feedback and getting great results so far. I look forward to you joining them at MyHeadspace.